Hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today, I will show you how to configure the A to Z of the TP-Link Ax1500 Next Gen Wi-Fi 6 router model Archer Ax15. Let's go start. Basic settings. Connect to the power cable on router. In this part, connect to the WAN cable, the internet provided by your ISP. Connect the internet cable to the LAN port of the router. Then connect another part to your computer's LAN port. Then look at the computer screen. Go to Control Panel and click on Network and Internet. Then click on Network and Sharing Center. Change adapter settings. Then right-click on Ethernet and click Enable from the menu. Must be automatically select IP and DNS server, then click on OK. Close the window. WAN IP settings and password set. Open a web browser on your connected computer and go to http://tplinkwfi.net or 192.168.0.1. Create a new password for the router's administration panel. This is not the Wi-Fi password, but an admin login for the router itself. Then click on Let's Get Started. Select your local time zone from the drop-down list and click Next. In this part, your current internet connection settings. Click Next. Enter any required information from your internet service provider. Type your IP address. Then click on Next. Personalize your wireless network name and password. Set up your new Wi-Fi network name and password. Then click on Next. Internet access is done on the router. Now, we will be showing the MAC filtering system. Then click on Advanced. In the left-hand menu, select Security. Click on Access Control. Toggle the switch to enable access control. Then click on Add. Choose the Add manually and list. Click the Add. Choose your filtering mode. Then select Allow or Deny from list. Click Change. Now, we will be showing the IP and MAC binding. Click on Advanced in the top right corner. In the left-hand menu, select Security. Click on IP and MAC binding. Toggle the switch to enable. You can bind a connected device by selecting it from the ARP list. We are binding this IP and MAC. Now added the binding list. Now, we will be showing the changed LAN IP address. Click on Advanced in the top right corner. In the left-hand menu, then click on LAN. This is current range IP. In the LAN IP field, type in the new IP address you want to use. Click the Save button. Save and log in again, then click OK. Reconnect router with new IP. Successfully change the LAN IP. Now, we will be showing the speed limit. Then click on Network Man. Then click on Clients. My router connected to one device and shows the speed limit, so we need to modify the user access. Enable speed limit and customize the speed. Then choose your internet upload and download speed limit. Then click on Save. Now, we will be showing the scheduler access in block. Click on Advanced in the top right corner. Then click on Parental Controls. Toggle the switch to enable. Then click on Add. Add devices. Add device can be added to one profile only. Click Add. Must be create the profile name for users. Then click on Next. Type only allow or deny websites that contain specific from the Choose Profile menu. Click Add and click on Next. Set daily limits for the total time spent online or the time period when internet access is allowed. Withdraw the access limit. Green is access allow and white is denied. Then click on Save. Then click on Save. Ping WAN port. Click on Advanced in the top right corner. In the left-hand menu, select Security and click Firewall. Toggle the switch to enable respond to pings from WAN. Check ping is done. Click on Advanced in the top right corner. In the left-hand menu, select System, then click Administrator. Toggle the switch to enable local management. Toggle the switch to enable remote management. This is web address for local management. Then click on Save. Then click on Network on the left side. Then click on Dynamic DNS. Then click on the Dynamic DNS Service Provider from the menu option. It's already a created account on the NOIP website. First time login NOIP website and creating the new account, then put in here. Then click on WAN IP binding. Then click on Login and Save. Success. Copy the domain name and go to any browser and paste the searching bar. Click on Advanced. Then click Proc to U domain name. Click on Advanced in the top right corner. In the left-hand menu, select System and click Backup and Restore Backup. Now restore the backup file. After upload completed, then click on Restore. Click on Advanced in the top right corner. In the left-hand menu, select System and click Firmware Update. First find your hardware version and copy version. Paste any browser search bar. Again, choose the hardware version. Then click on Firmware. Then click on Download. After download and unzip, then upload the update file and click Update. Please keep the router power on. Change Wi-Fi name and password. Click on Advanced in the top right corner. Then click on Wireless. Type your new desired Wi-Fi name into this field. Type your new desired Wi-Fi password into this field. If you change 5G network, then click on Save. Factory Reset. Click on Advanced in the top right corner. Then click on System. Backup and Restore. Click Factory Restore. Please waiting for Restore. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe, like, follow and notify the bell icon. Click and see your next updated video.